Update on the road. Just coming out of Mitchell after a bit of lunch at the Mitchell Hotel. Good little feed there, and we've just popped into another little pub about half an hour down the road. Mundagalla.
Sorry?
What?
I think it's pronounced Mungallala.
Yeah, righto.
As it's written on the stomach cooler that we got.
Anyway, we stopped in there, had a nice couple of beers. Thanks to Margaret, nice old lady.
Nice lady behind the bar. We got chatting to her, told us a bit about town. Bulk population, total of 35 people. She let us write our name on the wall, leave our mark. Pretty good. Then we moseyed on out. It's pretty hard. Traffic's pretty full on.
Yeah, traffic's out of control. Peak hour, 35 people in town. It's a bad rush. Out of control. Yeah, now we're on our way out to Charleston. And stopping there in the pub, and then a quick dash to Cooladdi where we'll set up for camping and have a bit of tea at the pub.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, good night.
You are a good man, Curtis. Hotel Charlotte. Alex, how's the old spine? How's the old spine going?
The old spiny boy's got the flogging. Like wax on, mate. What are you worried
Straight into the sunset, and it's between that level of the trees and the visor. You won't be able to see it on that camera. So the GoPro see about as much as we can see going the other direction.
Yeah, they had the blind leading the blinds.
Yep, see heaps on that road.
Yep.
20 k's out of Cooladdi. Well, bit of a late pull in, Nico, but where have we got to?
Cooladdi.
Cooladdi, and it's the Fox Trap.
It's a big welcome.
See some lights on inside. One of the local pubs that are open, so we'll go see what's going on inside. For the Fox Trap. It's all free camping here, 1,200 acres. So camp next to your closest neighbour.
Make friends.
And they said if we come back before 8 o'clock, we'll even cook us a burger. So I'm going to go find a campsite, so there we go. After a sunset beverage, we wandered over to the Fox Trap and perused the menu. The choice became obvious and 4 Cooladdi King burgers were ordered. Whilst we were 250 kilometres and 2 pubs short of our goal today, we were all stoked when we saw the size of this burger. The Fox Trap was affectionately named after its past owner Bob Fox, and it was said that Bob loved a yarn. Legend has it that you'd call in for a drink and wouldn't leave until 2 days later. Whilst we managed to escape this trap, we hit the swags ready for another big day of kilometres behind the wheel tomorrow.
Isn't there like only water supply? If they drink from this, I'd be very surprised. More than 2 shakes to play with.
Just time to hit the road.
Right, so day 4, we're just leaving Cooladdi, Foxtrot Hotel, rip a little pub, mean burger, oh,
Best burger you'll ever have.
yeah, the King Burger in Cooladdi, amazing burger, steak, beef patty, bacon, egg, pineapple, beetroot, lettuce, carrot, tomato, everything you want on a burger, it's there. Amazing burger, $15, cheap as too. So we're just leaving there, so about 8 o'clock. We're heading down the road, another 120 kilometres down to Quilpie, and we're going to pull in there for brekkie, and then carry on up to Adavale for lunch, onto the Well Shot Hotel for dinner. Well, that's the plan anyway.
Sounds pretty good to me.
Stay tuned.
If you get nailed by a spine, I will.
So, ladies and gentlemen, well, there is the road to Adavale, just come out of Quilpie. It's the first bit of dirt we've hit for this trip, but not the last we've been seeing by a long shot. Drop the air pressures, hopefully a little bit easier on the car's tyres if this is a bit corrugated, and if we need to, we'll go no further. Can't wait.
We just left Quilpie and we're now on the dirt road out to Adavale.
Drop the pressures. What have we got it? 25 in front.
Yep, 25 front, 32 rear. So far the road's pretty good in the centre. The sides of it are a little bit corrugated, but you know there's no oncoming traffic, so we're pretty right to sit in the centre of the track, which makes it nice and easy. And hopefully should be only another hour to Adavale. We'll stop for lunch.
Yeah, where we staying tonight?
Should be the Well Shot Hotel in Chroma, which is about 20 k's out of